Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. We're currently coming down here a little, so we only got basically 3 waves to the upside. The question that comes up here now is if this move that started on Monday, was this a wave 1? We peaked on Thursday. The move down an A wave, the move up an overshooting B wave. They're certainly possible, and we're now coming down in a C wave. Or do we have, or is all of this here a wave 1 and we're now coming down? But it wouldn't really change anything in terms of the Fibonacci levels, not much at least. We've got them all set correctly. So again, it's the 1717 level here that hasn't changed. That is key support. Does it mean the price has to come down to that level? No, absolutely not. It just purely means where does the risk sit. So if you have a 5 wave move up, let's say you traded this move, got to the high of the wave 1, then this is typically when you have 5 waves complete where you could take a little bit of risk off, because obviously that's how far the price can drop in the current scenario. Okay, just how to understand that. But it doesn't need to drop that low. It just needs to come down now and finish off this correction. And a common target would be the 50% Fib level, 61.8 or 78.6, between 1758 and 1717. Yeah. Below 1717, what scenario do we have to look out for? Well, then the 1662 level will become relevant. Yeah. So these are the different setups. As I said, we've got bullish setups, which doesn't mean it needs to break to the upside, but it means that if it breaks out, then we have a really good preparation for a possible third wave rally. So just need to see if towards the weekly candle close we can get some more buying pressure in. This is now typically the time when you start to see volatility on a Sunday come in. It will be interesting to see if this carries on, but Ethereum still has space in the current scenario. If it drops a little lower, then I will start to add to my portfolio again. I didn't really do much since taking profits. A week ago or so, a couple of weeks ago. I think here in this wave, I shaved some of my ETH off, the ones that I bought on the 10th. So I wanted to see a bit of a deeper pullback. Hasn't occurred yet. If it happens, great. If not, happy as well, because I did keep my core position. So yeah, looking for, ideally for higher. We have a lot of layered support areas. Did explain that in the previous video. Don't really want to go through all the different bullish possibilities here. It depends on how deep of a retracement we get. The support areas should be well known: 1717, 1662, 1472. So there's a long way to go in case, to basically invalidate the bullish case here. But at the moment, it looks good. The market looks strong, market looks good, but surely we could get a bit of that deeper pullback. Ethereum has, by the way, in this wave 2, not reached its support area yet, so maybe it will do so by pulling back a little bit lower in the C wave. The breakout level to the upside continues to be here the you could say between 1850 and 1860. The 1860 high is the Thursday high. And what we can do is calculate a target for the C wave by taking the length of the A wave. We go to the high of the B wave, and the very first target is the so-called 1-to-1 ratio. It's at 1783. A more extended target is the 1.618 extension at 1740. That would fall together with the golden ratio of this wave 2 support, 61.8 retracement. Yeah, so 1740. There is some Fib confluence there. Let's see, but if this count is correct, it produced a flat pattern. Now we just need to see, is it going to be a running flat where the C wave ends above A, or is it an expanded flat that can send it down to 1740? Possibly even lower, but that would be certainly an expanded flat, a very important level. Going significantly below that would shift then probabilities towards, okay, we might have to reset, or we are probably in this wave too, yeah? So there's just different scenarios in an overall still bullish setup, as long as support levels are holding. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.